My name is Tayyab Sheikh. I'm from Sangvi, Pune. I've been having trouble with hair loss for about 4 or 5 years now. So my hair transplant is done and it was a nice experience, like much less painful than I thought it would be. And I've been having trouble with hair loss for about 4 or 5 years now. So I was trying medicines and oils. It wasn't exactly growing out my hairs, it was just stopping the receding process. Afterwards, I came to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic in Mumbai. So I started seeing some results. मैं पहले यहाँ आता था स्किन ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, बट उसके बाद में हमें पता चला कि यहीं पे हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट का ट्रीटमेंट भी होता है. Now I decided to go for hair transplant. So my hair transplant is done and it went quite well, and there was little to no pain. The only pain was from the anesthesia injections, and the staff was very helpful and nice. I got a break in between and afterward picked up quite quickly, and it was a nice experience, like much less painful than I thought it would be. So the technique was FUE and 2000 grafts were implanted. The doctors and the surgeons were very helpful, very patient. They just treated me as a friend and everything went pretty well. I actually have someone who I know जिसे मैं recommend करना चाहूँगा.